Alfred Tiayeboa, Attorney General, and deputy or a deputy Attorney General. Na sabe number 1 ensemu na yekwatena court ene ensema eboboba ne dima etiofo. Sabe di nintia yensaka HSS sabe number 1 ne passport ade court I requested say on fa emra and yasama no a year 500,000 bill and after Tiayeboa dia babe tuja say a customers ya omusika kudimi na monka makoma ento muyem na aban agine japade na mon ejapade a waye nyina no omode omonsa to so na omo ba beton na omode start etuetua eka odi enkofo nto monka makoma ento ne yem na now say the 39 charges abono no de nya de obetimi nya ne ti edidi muda na ono eye Alfred Tiayeboa obehwe say eye number 1 ekwan de ne faso no yedin be faso na prosecution there or say Ghana for enhwe nimu say animanimu ya prosecution no enam kwan mu a eba yenko ninkoti Alfred Tiayeboa ebra wode ensem etudwa ewo court
observe yenye brain na fe nsam de yenko mo ankasa emfa emamo yede mo hyase de afri nam wine na apia mensa ne nsensem no ho papai mama no tuade a wode ayega na made hye binom wo mayimo wo koti men's gold wo se ukuta sika fabra obeda ni sika ko ama ode ato onum ama na wo wu a ema chesem fa so pre no a wo benya no ebecha aketi ahunwi ema nipa gichi ade o musika ko ma wura yi no na eche kurewi ase na jese kotoma mi hoto agudie no ne ade hye no adie no a watwa fufu afọ omatiko akowura omonum si yasurudo ama na tramu num abuafo asemi ehya ase di atrenche wo court enye nne na afa ni entete ne se abalo ya paninu ma bemu a wona makwa akoso asem no mo se bebi asem no makwa aduro bia no wo mo esum no mo atoa so apa dance foforo ene kwadu foforo e de aboye wura na apia mensa dodo na asarma ne se namwan ene court kotena asem no so e makwadu be aduasan kono 39 charges ya wo mo ede bona na apia mensa ne na pamfo no wo mo eche so mo so mo enye wo mo enifobia wo ho ene ti court hye se ne wo mo e mani belia sika omucha ede ato ne tiri so 500 million Ghana cedis ene omucha ede ato ne tiri so eno eche so won fa ne passport emeja court no na abribia yawada bia so don foye ya dum na secretary madabodwe moje die mafusa ne antiate nkabone bia onfa ne ho nkochira posifo yawada bia na watwi bia onfa ne ho enko nkochira posifo na nemu oni ya tete yesa abanlo ya pani abedi echira ene onne court ekobo charge wo court wonum no eche so onye ombesre court no se be bia ya duru sesei se ne amanfo bi ha hai si de nipa bi tete ona na pia mensa nsa no o ma ebe percent da bia da court be ma kwan na kasem no matimi abaso na put it to you no etimi akoso ma dance for kra ewo mu no o matimi afrefre binum ama ma ba be dia dance ma charge ya o se de bona na pia mensa no matimi dia bono ema eye emra edi no lawyer Alfred Tiayeboa wona ya ban lawyer pani abedi echire ena o ne ko gina mu ekobo kwadu na ne nsem a abusuafo wode tu dwamra wo mo ewi asem no no ne nsemtwefo ebutu mai kakra ewo court aboboa no.
It's now well set to commence the hearing of this particular matter. And today we were in court for the first time in the High Court. We've dealt with the initial matters. The next time that we come, you know the witnesses that we'll be calling. But I can assure you, since this matter involves a lot of people, we'll be calling a lot of witnesses, people who invested to state their story. And so hopefully by the time we come back on the 27th, you have the full complement of the witnesses that will be called. But I can just only let you know that we are going to call a lot of witnesses to establish our case. No, definitely no. If you take the charge sheet, you realize that it's not all of them that we've indicated as people who deposited, but we take those ones that we think are relevant to prove our case. You see, at counsel for the accused person, that is the job that he's supposed to do as defense counsel. That's why I indicate to the court that we disagree with the theory that he has propounded. On our side, we are looking at what the law says. We are looking at various breaches. So if you have not mentioned sec law, it doesn't mean that ordinary accuracy has fallen. No. We know what we are doing, and we know where we can get evidence to nail the accused person. I think his client had a thinking that having established certain entity, no law will catch him, so to speak. But we've also delved deep into the law. We've come up with these charges. Let's wait. and see whether these charges are not the right charges that we have to prefer against the accused persons. We are of the humble opinion that this is a matter that we must apply to the court for an expedited hearing. So at the case management stage, we'll put up that application and request the court, subject to the court's convenience, to have this matter heard on daily basis. We want this matter to be heard so that those depositors can know their fate, so that accused persons also can.
I'm going to weigh a lawyer Penny Abedi, lawyer Alfred Yaya Buan Yaten and Canoa, or says a court to Nujitu Munkua, na court to Nebua court to Noa, Nadia de Biada, one more Ebebasam, no sooner because some nephew no more, na a dancing forces to a woman, one of the musica cogu men's godwa, Besine, Capre Bacrano, or more Enyam Femfree one more, a jebinima who will be so yare, a biso so cow, or did your major padia, say, a quacky in Bibi, no Mususana Bacoto, Ababe bought one more and crew, and wrote a lawyer Alfred Bois, editor some chef when him says, one year Casse, Nanapia Mensa and wine wa, ye can want some no, the Japadia do noa, a buy Eden and Sato soa, ye queer animono, a babe has a ton also moton, nom the church a canibia, one more able to Sanamono, no more Eddie church a canibi, Eddie Fuonomo, lawyer Alfred Bois.
As that we also had or we seized from the accused persons. And we've also had an indication about some property that we have frozen. We are looking at all these properties. In the fullness of time, you know the extent to which we can also use the proceeds to cushion the depositors. But for now, we will not be able to prove the case against the accused person, as you know. But in the course of proceedings, who knows, the accused may even come up with a proposal that even though he's not guilty, the property that we have may have to be auctioned, so give it to the person. So we are looking at various options. But to us, our main aim is to prosecute him, and if need be, if he's convicted, he should be made to face the law. Let me state this record. Let me just make sure that I do not state things that people may say I'm not trying to sympathize with the depositors. Now, if you go to the United States, if you go to the UK, if you go to the world, all the other countries, economic crimes or financial crimes, they are the most difficult crimes. They are the most difficult case to prosecute. You need to spend a lot of time to look at the evidence, comb through the evidence so well. If you fail to do so, and you want to rush with the prosecution, the only assurance you can have is that you are likely to fail. In our case, we've taken our time to go through the voluminous record. We've taken our time to look at the evidence available and make sure that we do the right thing so that only the customers also will have justice. So that's what we are seeking to do. Let's forget about the second court one, because we have to use that time to do.
I was going to weigh a lawyer Alfred Bois, a ban lawyer Penny Abedi Chira, and there one and a cocoa can do our court one now or church in Semutreno. Young call Manasoni and equity besia for your professional conconsenia or Tiankra, a different crap on Pedamante Mokojoba for and couldn't come and there not our court one more. Your baby say or more musica good man's godwa be seen there, woman sanka or musicano, it be back court one man. Koyo Majoy. Na mejima di se wo ho ye de
yes adam
na ene emra court no fra asem no enim se na apia mensa ne dom na ekoi na emra no omo court no na omo musika gugu men's gold no ebi ba ho no ma na ebi begu ho
me da se pa se ne obucha no no kre wo mun se wo mo musika akoka men's gold no me sure say from the one in seven church say the court the court ni na the dia ever fast ni bi am be bottom pem high court wo and as usual domo e dey go on na anodi edu baby plan na I was a deputy minister attorney general Chianya Boa ni omumum ekokasa na omo assurance say aban no egie ejuma edema pepepe ye anase justice ayi ejuma nti ono na no omokasa ya omakoma eto million extra mu say ampa aban na take center stage o di asem ni jema na mo anu fra e ba ye no na bebe na yiri de extra mu sa e wo so say omo pai no from fo ye gi sika ni ade nti minister no omokasa na ye say abotoyim e ba ye bra asem no e course no itinti ni ni say say na mo bi pie wo ho na oba